Let me ask you something. Have your views suddenly dropped? Did your last 5 uploads barely get impressions? Did your channel feel like it hit a wall overnight? And now you're wondering, did YouTube shadow ban me? Today, we're not doing guesswork. We're doing a full deep dive. In this video, I will break down what shadow ban actually means in 2026, whether YouTube officially admits it, the 5 real tests you can run, what actually triggers reach restriction, how to fix it, and how to protect your channel long term. Because most creators panic, few actually understand what's happening. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where your channel stands. Open YouTube Studio. Look at your last 10 uploads. Ask yourself, was growth consistent? Or did performance collapse suddenly? Natural decline looks gradual. Normal views, normal views, normal views. Suddenly 80 to 90% drop across multiple videos. If impressions drop massively, that means YouTube stopped showing your content. That's a stronger indicator than views alone. The first test is simple. Look at your channel performance over time. If your channel used to get 500 views, 700 views, 1,000 views, and suddenly it drops to 30 views, 20 views, 40 views, and stays there consistently, that's a red flag.
Now, a drop in views alone does not automatically mean shadow ban. But if the drop is sudden, it affects all videos. It continues for weeks. Then you move to test number 2. If you have 2,000 subscribers, but your video only has 200 impressions, that means YouTube isn't even showing it to your own audience. Now look at click-through rate and average view duration. If CTR is decent, if watch time is strong, but impressions are extremely low, that suggests restricted distribution. That's when shadow restriction may be happening. Because if your video performs well with the few people who see it, that's not a content quality issue. That's a reach limitation issue. Now here's the third and most important test. Open YouTube in an incognito browser window. Type your channel name exactly. If your channel appears, your videos appear, your shorts appear, you are not shadow banned. But if your channel doesn't appear or your videos don't show in results, that's when there may be a visibility restriction. This is the simplest external test.
Ask 5 to 10 subscribers, did you see my latest video on your homepage? If most say no, check if notifications are turned on. Now here's the reality. Even subscribers don't always get shown content. YouTube prioritizes viewer behavior. If subscribers don't click your recent uploads, YouTube stops showing them. That's not a ban. That's audience behavior feedback. So before assuming restriction, check if your audience engagement declined. This is huge in 2026. Shorts traffic, non-long form traffic. If your shorts explode, YouTube may classify your audience as short form viewers. Then when you upload 15-minute videos, they don't click. Low CTR, low watch time, reduced push. That's not shadow ban, that's audience mismatch. Look at this split screen compare. Shorts get high views, long form, low analytics. Separate your strategy, align format to expectations. Here are the biggest triggers: sub for sub, mass commenting, copy-paste spam, engagement pods. Automation bots, misleading thumbnails, reused content without value, copyright issues, even without strikes. Behavioral flags reduce trust. YouTube's system works on trust scoring, low trust, and limited reach. Protect your channel by never buying subscribers, never joining sub for sub groups, avoiding automation tools, posting high-value original content, niche authority, studying retention graphs weekly, YouTube rewards, viewer satisfaction, session time, watch time. These are the metrics that matter for your channel's growth.
Now here's something most creators don't want to hear. Sometimes it's not shadow ban. Sometimes it's strategy. For example, if your shorts are getting 20,000 views, but your long-form videos get 30 views, you may have trained the algorithm to push you only in shorts feeds. Shorts and long-form audiences behave differently. Another issue, poor thumbnails, weak titles, unclear niche. Before blaming shadow ban, fix fundamentals first.
Most creators are not shadow banned. They are inconsistent, unclear in niche, weak in packaging, not optimized. Shadow ban is rare, strategy mistakes are common. Before blaming YouTube, audit your system, because growth is math. Impressions, CTR, and watch time eat growth. Master those 3, and shadow ban won't matter.
Now let's talk about what actually triggers reach restrictions. The biggest reason? Spamming. This includes sub for sub, self-promotion in comments, posting links everywhere, commenting hundreds of times in minutes. YouTube's system flags unnatural behavior. Even if you gain subscribers from sub for sub, YouTube may remove them, limit your reach, restrict impressions, and here's the key. Artificial growth signals hurt real distribution. Stop begging for subscribers. Mass commenting, engagement pods, automation tools, organic growth wins long term. If you believe your channel is restricted, here's what to do. Step 1. Stop any behavior that violates guidelines. Step 2. Wait 28 days. Yes, 28 days. YouTube systems often reset behavioral flags after a clean activity period. During those 28 days, keep uploading, focus on quality, avoid spam behavior.
If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. If your channel isn't shadow banned but still stuck, because your problem might be optimization, not punishment, keep creating, keep improving, and let's grow smarter. Goodbye from me, DJ Kadesa, and the Grow Smarter Media team.